Hello, and welcome to a brief video about how to get started using the CyCognito platform. In this video, you'll learn how to use the basic user interface controls needed to explore your organization's attack surface. We'll also show you how the attack surface data is presented, and we'll describe some of the initial workflows you might want to consider trying. Bear in mind that this video is an overview of the platform. Other videos drill down further into the platform's features and functions and describe this information in much greater detail. The first thing you'll notice after you've launched the application is a grouping of environments, business units, platforms, and assets displayed in a graph at the center of the dashboard. We call this display the attack surface graph. If you move your cursor to the left and hover over environments, the environments in the attack surface graph are highlighted. The same is true for business units and platforms. Hovering over assets expands the dots that represent assets just below the platforms. The dots are color-coded by severity. In CyCognito, environments are a set of assets that share the same business purpose. Business units are the functional areas of the business that use the assets. Platforms are a group of assets that host the same application or service. Finally, assets are the systems and digital objects where security issues may exist. Note that when you first launch CyCognito, some environments may be hidden from view. To see the hidden environments, click the hand tool to move them into view. To recenter the view, click the centering tool below the hand tool. You can also resize the view using the resizing tool. Probably the most critical information you'll see right away is shown in the sidebar to the left of the attack surface graph. Notice the overall security grade is F. This is an indication that there are severe issues that need immediate attention. Clicking directly on the Severe Issues link opens a table of all the severe issues found by the latest scan. Note that this is a list of critical and high-level alerts only, so this is just a subset of all the alerts found during the scan. To show you what I mean, I'll use the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page. I'll eliminate the Severe Issues filter, and the entire range of alerts is then displayed. The CyCognito interface gives you a lot of different ways to filter information. Let's go back to the dashboard and see some of the methods you can use. You can filter the attack surface information by clicking Environments, Business Units, Platforms, or Assets. If you just want to take a look at the alerts for one of your environments, you can simply click on that environment. Doing so opens a pop-up that provides you with summary information. To drill down even further, click the link on the lower right. This opens a page that contains highly detailed information about the environment, including the IP addresses of all assets contained in the environment. Or you can filter the attack data further by clicking directly on the business unit or the platform. Once again, this opens a pop-up that provides you with summary information. And you can drill down further to open a page that contains highly detailed information about the at-risk assets contained in the platform. If you scroll down, you'll find a table that contains a list of assets and information that's specific to each asset. You can specify the information displayed in the table by clicking the menu bar at the upper right of the table. For example, if you want to know the date and time of the most recent scan, you check the Last Seen box on the drop-down menu. And you can sort the information in the table to prioritize the issues that require your attention. For example, we can see in the table that there are a number of assets that have a security grade of F. You might want to prioritize these assets by determining which of them has the highest number of issues. To do that, you can simply click the Issue Count column header and click the arrow to show the results in descending order. So there's our brief overview of the CyCognito platform. We've seen some navigation and filtering tools, and we've seen how to access the information about your company's attack surface. Other videos go into further details about exploring the attack surface, managing security issues, and other specific CyCognito features and functions. Thanks for watching.